Who wants a chatbot that can do this? Hi chatbot, can you tell the viewers what you can do for them?
I'm a private AI assistant running on this Ubuntu server. I help with coding, writing, research, completely free, no cloud, no subscriptions. Just this hardware doing all the work.
And I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own. Let's go. Alright, quick heads up. This installer is designed for Ubuntu 24.04. If you haven't got Ubuntu yet, I've got a full setup guide and the link's on the screen now. But once you've got Ubuntu set up and up and running, this whole setup is going to take about 20 minutes. So this is what you need to do. You need to go onto your Internet Explorer and you want to type in Hugging Face. Click on there, Hugging Face. And this is in my one, so what you need to do, search models, type in Biggie Bank PC, and it'll pop up AI chatbot. There we go, click on that. So on this screen, in fact I'll show you my page, it's only got that on it so far, but this is what it is. So if you ever land on my page, you click on this one here, the chatbot, and this is the README file. It's basically everything that you need to know about it, but I'm going to show you what you need to know. So click on the three little dots at the right hand side of the header, and this is basically all the files that you're going to need to copy. So if we go here, go to files on your computer, go to downloads. I've got it empty. We're going to need to create a folder. I'm going to create this folder. I'm going to call it config. Hit enter. So we've got config now. So yeah, click on the config, and just here you've got a little download button. Click that. It's now downloaded. I'm going to grab that, put that in the config file. Now we want to create another file in here, a sort of folder. We're going to call this scripts. There we go, scripts. Now click on that. I want to download all three of these. Once they're downloaded, only take a couple of seconds. I'll put them into there. Now we want to create another folder in here. We want to call this templates. Templates. Enter. Now you open up templates. Got two folders, files, sorry. Grab them, drop them in there. Now that's the headachy bit. Now we want to download all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 of them now, and that is it. So I made it really easy to install. So you're going to need a USB drive. It doesn't have to be big, it can be a really old pants one that you've got in your drawer. 1 gigabyte is enough, to be honest. In fact, 100 megabyte is big enough. This is tiny, this file. So what you do, you get your USB drive, you stick it in your computer, you wait for that to appear. There it is. So there's nothing on this, but we do need to format it. So, and we're going to need to rename it. So where it says start here, just click that quickly, and it will tell you. So we want to call it AI chatbot. So, oh, sorry, click this format. So we're going to call it, oh, I can't even let this can. Right, let's copy AI chatbot, make life easier, paste that in there, and press next. Yep, format. Oh, hang on, it's because I've got the page up, the folder open. So get rid of that. So we're now on videos. It should work now. I'll have to do that again. So format, paste, next, format. There we go, it's doing it now. Alright, that's done. Happy days. And if we click here, look, it's called AI Chatbot now. Go back to your downloads, grab all of this stuff, copy, and then we're going to paste that in here. Paste. Boom. There we go. Now you're going to need to open up a terminal. So the way you do that, let me do that again. I've done that a bit fast. So you right click on the screen with the mouse, and then you click Open Terminal. Click there, and now you go copy this command here, which is cd/media/user/AI chatbot. You click that, paste, press enter. So now we're in this directory here. Now what you do, you copy this one here, this script, copy, you paste that in there, press enter. There we go, look, piggyback. Now it's asking me for my my password. Oh, that weren't supposed to happen. Right, so something's gone wrong. Okay, let's have a little look, see through here. Alright, nothing there. Alright, right, let's redo this. Right, so because that went wrong, this is why I built a cleaner. Sometimes it don't work straight away out of the box. That's not a problem. That's why I writ this cleaner file. It seems to work second time lucky. So you run that, press enter. Type in yes, the full yes, just to make sure you're definitely want to. Then your password. Right, then just the Y. Gosh, that's done it. So now we need to run the install again. There we go, we're off again. Okay, while that's doing that, I only wrote the installer. All the LLMs and the interface, they are all open source and free and available to anybody. Right, here we have it. So it's loaded at last. So you need to either you select a model. At the minute we've got two here. I'll show you in a second how to load another one, but we'll choose Llama. And right, so let's test this one out. Hello. Right, happy days. So now I'm going to show you how to do load up another model. So if you want to load up another model, so you do whatever model you want to load. There is a list on where is it? Let me show you. So I do have a list of the models. Open this up in a new tab. It's a bit easier to find. So on this first page, so the models, like you can, these faster models, I think we've got that one already loaded in. No, we haven't. So this one's a very quick one. I'll show you really quickly how to do this. So you grab that, copy, just type in Ollama space pull space Llama. Oh, just do that. Boom, and it'll pull it down. And it'll only take a couple of minutes, but while it's doing that, let's do this. New chat. Right, now we got it working. Let's test it out. Hi, Chatbot. Can you tell me about Ubuntu history, please?
Hey everyone. So, Ubuntu has a really interesting history. It was created back in 2004 by Mark Shuttleworth and Canonical. It's actually based on Debian Linux and gets its name from an African philosophy that means humanity to others, which I think is pretty cool.
Well, safely say that's working. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and tell me what you do with your bot if you get one and download it. Cheers for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.